I'm assuming that a lot of you who are viewing this have probably been on Amtrak before or on any train. If you haven't, here's your chance right now. We're coming up on this is the business class car. Wouldn't mind sitting in this car. Here's our food services. Okay.
No, but that's very interesting. Excuse me, let me just sneak by you here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, I do. I took a trip last year to Richmond. I went one way on Greyhound, and because of my legs, I felt like I was in the sardine can in my chair. And then I came back on Amtrak. Yes, I prefer even just for that short little trip to Richmond, I prefer to be on a train.
I know, because you get a chance to get up and move around. You get to sit the whole time pretty much.
I can't. The bus driver has this partition thing that closes him in. I can't picture how he likes that.
Right. Thanks for meeting you guys here.
Yes.
You guys getting off or you going forward?
I'm going forward.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
The Amtrak personnel want me to go back to the back of the lift into the law.
Naturally.
So this is the business car, huh?
This is the business car?
Yeah.
Ooh. Now, I thought about selecting the business car, but it was $70 more per ticket, so maybe we'll get it for Richmond, though.
Okay. So what's
Yeah, I don't mind tacking on, $15 per ticket or whatever, but
okay, nicer. So I'm trying to understand. Okay, different seats.
better for your back.
They're supposed to be comfortable seats or something.
Yeah, more leg room.
That's what I was looking for. Just like on the Sounder train out of Seattle.
Okay. I was gonna try to go in, and then I would have probably. Yes, I was in the front cab of the Tide.
There you go. Yeah.
And they had to tell me not to touch certain buttons because they didn't want me driving the train.
Yeah.
See, on the Sounder train out of Seattle, each row is just like this, four seats and a table.
Yeah.
But they only got 2 outlets instead of 4.
And yes, I actually am this tall. This tall.
So it's more of a leg room thing.
You got a regular ticket or you buy something?
It's a regular ticket.
Don't get us started on that.
If I can figure out how to buy a ticket like they do, then maybe we'll start traveling like they do. Oh, I can talk to Alan about that. He's a VHSR guy. I'm just a supporter.
That's all sold out.
Huh?
Well, I know they already sold all their tickets.
Yeah, we were supposed to go with them, I think.
No, we were supposed to go with. We're still going as part of HRPTA. Just that our tickets are separate. This is pretty.
What is this going on?
Newark.
New? I know it ain't here.
Too many mountains in the back.
Yeah, too many tall buildings.
How did you know it was Newark?
It says it on this yellow thing here.
Oh, you read the sign. You trying to get by? Oh, I was trying to figure out what stadium was it.
There's a sign right there.
Newark.
Yeah. They made it sound like that. They made it sound like that they were actually going to open up a dining car right now.
Well, this is only the Northeast Regional, so we're not going to have a dining car or a slumber coach. I've been in both. Good. How are you?
All right. Now I see the difference.
Yeah. So we're going to be in this car on December 12th. Well, maybe not this exact one, but.
This will be the layout of it.
Oh.
You coming with me, Gary, or you want to take the stairs?
I'll go back down the way I came up.
He says he'll take the stairs. Okay, all right.
And that's the end. You know, this is.
You can ride there with him on the left?
Huh?
You can ride there with him?
Yeah, I try this. I can do the stairs at this station. Thank you, though. The coach class is still nice.